Okay, let's talk about the increasing decreasing strings, and this question is actually one of my interview questions, but at that time I didn't actually understand the constraint. So, but now I do. Let's just talk about it. So you have the 7 rules, and the first is pick the smallest character from S and append it, and then keep appending, and then for 2 and 3 it's just similar stuff, and 4, 5, 6 you are appending reversely because you are only append once, right? One character at a time. And from the step 4 you are appending backward, so you are appending largest character from S and appending to the result, and keep appending, and the character it has to be smaller than the last appended, right? Okay, so in this example I can use I put every character in the char array or in array, right? Doesn't matter. So in array count, let me just use count and 26. So I'm going to put every single character into the in the array. So count as C minus A plus plus. Alright, so now I need a string builder, right? Because I need to return a string builder. SB equal to new string builder. Now I'm going to see if my string builder so the constraint is not equal to the s.length, so it will keep looping, right? Now I can use, so I have to traverse from the smallest to the greatest, right? So I less than 26, I plus plus, and the step 4 is from the largest, right? So I equal to 25, and I greater equal to 0, and I minus minus. Okay, so I need to check if my C and I is not equal to 0, which means I should append, right? So from the smallest to the greater, so if C I is not equal to 0, I append char, right? So I need to append char, but I need to see the I position plus A, right? There's a reason why I need to plus A, because I subtract A at this position, right? So when I insert into the char in array, I subtract the A. So when I append, right, I need to add A, but add index I, because that will that's how it works. And this is almost exactly the same thing. So it's not equal to 0, and then I keep append. So char, and then I plus A, and then end it, right? So once you use the character, right, you need to decrement. So don't forget you decrement. And this is exactly the same thing for backward. Okay, decrement. That will be a solution, right? So just return what? Return sb.to string, right? Okay, let's just talk about the idea later. Just run it, see if I have error or not. Okay, that's good. Alright, okay, let's talk about idea. So I put every character into the content array, so that will help me to understand how many characters in the content array. So if a content array, the position index I equals to 0, which means there's no character, right? So once I put everything into a content array, I can actually check from the beginning to the end if the I position is not equal to 0, which means there's something, and I keep appending. When I append, I decrement the frequency. Okay, so from step 2 to step 3, this is how it works. And from step 4 and 5, 6 is you do it backwards. So you pick the largest and then decrement every single time. When it's not 0, when the character at I position is not equal to 0, you add it and then you decrement the frequency, and that will be your solution. So for the time and space, space is actually like you need 26 spots. 26 spots for content array. And for the time, you are traverse every single time, right? So it's all of them for your time, and basically you are just putting every single character into the string builder. That is definitely less than all of them, right? Because you are doing multiple characters at once. So that would be your solution.